Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Listen, today we've got something super simple. We've got some pickled red onions. Now, if you've gone to a barbecue restaurant here in the Houston area, I know because I've seen them. You're going to find these a lot, okay? Like just a simple pickled red onion. We got a pickling spice that we're going to put together, and it's really quick. You know, you can eat these on a lot of different things. You see them on a lot of fish tacos, a lot of hamburgers, and then at almost all your barbecue restaurants in Houston, you see that. And it's so simple to make, and it's really got a good taste. We got red onion, okay? We've got garlic, we've got pickling spice, we've got vinegar, and by the way, it's apple cider. You can do it with white wine vinegar, or apple cider. I've only done it with apple cider, and everybody loves it, so I'm going to keep it with that. Also, we've got some sea salt, and we've got some sugar, okay? Those are the simple ingredients. All you need to do is combine these, and we're going to walk you through that process. You can combine them, we're going to heat it up, and then we're going to stuff them into this jar, and we're going to let them sit. Once they cool, they're actually edible. But the longer you let them sit, say in the refrigerator, say overnight, they're just that much better. So we are going to set these aside, and we're going to start slicing them. Now, we're going to show you how thin we slice them. See how thin it is? Now see, this is what we want, okay? Because the thinner they are, the quicker they're going to pickle. Okay guys, so see we have them kind of submerged in this water a little bit, and the water has pretty much done what it needs to do at this point. So now we're going to break from this, and we're going to get our spices together. Now again, I'm going to tell you the spices. The spices are going to be 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, or sea salt, whichever you prefer, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 tablespoons of pickling spice, half a cup of water, and half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Okay, so we're going to get all this stuff in a boiler and get it to a boil so we can heat it up and put these onions in. 1 more cup of water, 1 more cup of vinegar, make it a 2. We do have like a lot of onions here, so let's get this going. And like 4 tablespoons. Now, pickling spice has a lot of stuff in it. It has your peppercorns, your cloves, your bay leaves, peppers. Man, there's quite a few things in it that makes things easy to pickle. You can pickle a lot of different things. You don't have to just do onions. You can do a lot of stuff with it. So it's good to have some pickling spice on hand. Anyway, now at this point, we're going to bring you guys back in just a minute once we get this to a boil. We're going to put the seasoning into the jar, okay? And then we're going to add our onions. Now, the reason why we're going to put that in the jar first is because we want to make sure that we get all of our peppercorns and all of our pickling spice into the jar. We're going to start stuffing our onions into the jar. We actually put some of the pickling spice mixture of brine inside already. Now we are going to put our top on. We got full, everything that we need. I'm going to tighten it down. Try to dry it off a little bit. Make sure we got it tight. Now, you don't have to do this next step, but I like to. It just makes it comes out better. And it also, if you know anything about canning, it actually seals it better. So then it just speeds up the cooking process. Alright, so we got it tight. Okay guys, so we're going to, at this point, we got some cold water. I'm going to put this jar here. When it starts to boil, we're good. We're going to shut it off, set it back over here, let it cool. Guys, as you can see, we have brine or pickling mix all in there. You can see the fried spice, the peppercorns, the peppers. They actually threw a couple of jalapenos on the bottom too, just for flavor. So anyway, we are ready to go with it. So we're gonna leave it here, let it cool down, and then we're gonna sit it in the fridge overnight. Okay. Unfortunately, we won't do a taste test with this because it's gonna sit to the next day. But we will do some dishes coming up where we'll actually showcase this. Okay. So anyway, like I said, hey, if you like our videos, please hit that subscribe button, like and subscribe for us. It really helps us out. Okay. And again, every day is a good day. It's all in how you live it. And with that,